if you're not new here, hi, welcome back. So in this video, I will try to
Hi guys, me, I am 6 now.
Yeah, she's 6 now. She's so happy that she had her birthday.
Guys,
yeah, we're going to dye my hair. So this is the color, and my sister already opened it.
Me house.
Yeah, we're gonna dye her hair too a little bit. Yeah, blonde, not yellow, blonde hair. So let's start. So this is for that. This is that one, and I'm going to apply it right now. So this is how long my hair is. So I dyed my hair, and I think it's gonna be like brunette or redhead. And I did my eyebrows too. We'll see. So this is my hair. I really like the outcome, but it's more lighter in real life than you guys see it on the camera. But that's fine. I used it before. So, and I'm ready, all dressed up to go meet out with one of my friends. And then we're gonna meet some other friends who's from Korea. Yeah, it's her last month here in here, I guess. So just want to hang out together. And the weather is so bad, it's so cold, and it's gonna rain, I guess. And I just didn't plan. I didn't plan this day to be that bad, that cold. But there's nothing I can do about it. But I really need to just go out and do some things because I was stuck at home for like a month and I just can't do it anymore. So I'm just gonna go out, and I don't want to think about the earthquake for like a day. You know, it's really hard because we have to live with this truth, and we don't know if our buildings are safe, and probably they're not safe. We just put this between our beds in case of if we got stuck under the building, if it collapsed. And we have some other bag that we prepared for my whole family. We're 6 of us, and we just put it right next to the door. If it happens, if we can feel the earthquake, we're just gonna grab it and go outside. And also I have an app called Earthquake Network, and today 2 earthquakes happened in Tuesday, and the app told us, and we just got together, all of my family, and we just sat there, we just do this and we just waited. It's so sad that we can't do anything about more than that. But yeah, today I'm not gonna think about the earthquake for hours, and I'm not gonna think about the weather is cold. I'm just gonna go hang out with my friends. Yeah, then I'm gonna go to the bakery to order a cake for my birthday, which is in days. Yeah, I'm gonna be 22. And I'm feeling like 22, but I don't live like I'm 22. So I'm just trying to live like I'm 22. So let's go. My friend's waiting for me. I got my bag. Let's go. Can I? And I think I should get a hat in case if it's rain. Told you it's lighter. I like it. Let's go. So hi from another day. Today I have nothing to do. I was supposed to go out with my friends again for coffee, but they canceled, and I'm just staying at home with my makeup. And I decided that, what's wrong with my camera? And my phone. Okay. So I decided to study German a bit and start to study for my exams, which is about to come. And I haven't listened any of the lectures till this day, but I will start soon, I hope. So yeah, this is my plan for the rest of the day. I'm just gonna study a bit German, and then nothing. Then I'm just gonna eat and lay in my bed. And actually I have to study in bed because since we're thinking about moving, we're still thinking and nothing in the action. So we packed most of the stuff. So I will be just laying in bed studying, because let me show you the things we packed. So we have some packed stuff here. Yeah. That rest of my books and things to study, and a vessel for earthquake. These are the other stuff that we packed. Yeah, we just packed things that we don't use in our summer bag. And I want to show you my earthquake bag, because I think it's really important, because I live in the earthquake region in Istanbul, and some people who are watching this might be living in the earthquake region in summer. So I'm just gonna show it. I keep this bag between my bed and my sister's bag, because in case of the building collapse, and we will be under it, and we need water, we need some food, and I don't know, we just need to breathe and make noise. It's really sad to talk about this stuff, but it's real and we have to talk about this stuff. So this is the bag that I'm using. So we have 2 water bottles for me and my sister. I keep my wallets in here day and night, just in case. I didn't get a copy of anything. I just put it in the bag. So we have some pen and paper, some kind of stuff, and we have hygienic pad, wet wipes, and also we have medicines, and yeah, nothing else. And I show you my whistle. My sister has one too. We sleep with those under our pillows, and I have that app called Earthquake Network, and that's all. And we have a charger, and my sister put a hijab just in case. That's all in the bag. So right now I'm just going to revise. Let me show you my new German notebook. I wrote them because I was trying to write down some things in German, and I have some questions in this notebook in German, and I try to answer them in German in this notebook. And I don't know, it's okay. I think it's improving me. Yeah, so I'm going to study for A1, and these are the subjects that I need to cover for A1. They're almost done. Still have some tenses to study, conjunctions, and yeah, that's all. Tenses and conjunctions, and I need to revise all of the topics again to have this fully understanding. But it's okay. I think I can understand some things now, because when I encounter something in German on the internet or something somewhere, I can understand a bit, some words, and I get that kind of. It's okay, because German is a really hard language, and its grammar is totally different from Turkish and English. So yeah, I will be able to speak one day, but not now, not today. So I'm just gonna study. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you're all safe and happy, and I hope you don't forget to subscribe because I'm trying to hit 100. This is my goal. So bye, see you next time.